Hey beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can how you can make your video look full HD in Capcut PC. So let's jump right into the video. This tutorial is very important, but make sure you follow all the steps I'm going to show you in this video. If you don't, then you're going to have a worse result. So what you have to do to make your video look very good, so yeah, watch this video till the very end to find. Now, to add videos in your timeline onto the timeline very fast, just grab it and drag it onto the timeline very fast. Now, to increase the quality of your videos, it's very important to follow these steps. Alright, so what you have to do is to head over to adjustment, and I'm gonna tell you this because I know it's the best way. There's actually two ways. I mean, both methods are like complementing each other, so it's kind of like the same method. So what you have to do, head over to adjustment here, and now here you have to use the specific settings if you want to have the best results. Here in brightness you have to increase by 12, nothing more, nothing less. I've tested this so many times for many videos, so you can get the best results. Contrast, here you need to have around 6 is the best. I tried 8 as well, but I think it's too much. Staking out the staking is like there's no more natural your videos, so make sure it's 6. Now please pay attention here in highlight, make sure in highlight you add to 13, right? And here in shadow, make sure here we have it's very important to, because like with this we have more shadow, without we don't have shadow. So I tested this, and 13 minus 13 seems to be the best fit, the best setting, the best result here is giving us the best result. Now illumination, here is working with illumination, so I realized if you turn this all the way down, is giving you better colors and better illumination overall. As you can see already, our video looks way better, so make sure this is set to minus 50. all right, now sharpness here, we don't have any sharpness, only if you want your videos to look more sharp. But usually what I will suggest you to do is to set to 3, only 3 guys, so like nothing more, nothing less. 3. Here particles, nothing, just don't play with it. Now vintage, now if you want we can set at some vintage, because we'll just move the viewer's attention to the main character here. So it's very good to add around 31, I think it was, yeah, 31. As you can see already, looks very good, and that's these settings you need to copy and use in every single video. I think from my own experience at least, this is what I tested and makes the video much better. And now click on export, and here is very important as well, use 60 fps. Here codec, use the most compression. You can also use most efficient compression, but I usually use this one. Now here is the most important one, leave it as it is here, or you can change to the other one, but here is very important to change to higher. And here is very important to change 4K higher, this one, and before 60 fps. These are the best settings. If other videos are telling you to do something else, don't do it. Now obviously this will take more time to render, but I'm telling you, you're gonna have the best quality, full HD, and really good. all right, so I'm gonna cancel this, and okay, and now I'm gonna go here as well and grab the same video and put it here. And now I'm going to show you now the difference. So look how this looks much better. all right, so click on crop. This is what I'm going to do, so can I illustrate my point that I'm making here. These settings that I tested for hours, guys, for hours, I know can give you better, very good results. Look, don't you agree with me that this one looks much better? So please guys, if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and like this video and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Also, if you have any suggestions for the next Capcut tutorial, leave your questions down below, and I will see you now in the next video. Also, don't hesitate and don't forget to leave your feedback down below related to my audio quality. I'm trying to improve my audio quality. I bought a new microphone, Samsung Q2U, so I can give you a better experience and better quality. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.